this is worksheet 29.1 review, and we're going to look at number 33. A machine is used to fill water bottles at a factory. Suppose the amount of water dispensed into the bottles is normally distributed. If at least 95% of the bottles must contain between 585 and 595 milliliters of water, what is the mean? What is the standard deviation? In this case, 95% is a nice number. Because of the empirical rule, we know that if we have a normal distribution with a certain mean and a certain standard deviation, that 95% of our data has to fall within 2 standard deviations. So from here to here would be 95% of our data. The problem is stating that 95% of the bottles must contain between 585 and 595 milliliters of water. Now we're trying to work backwards and figure out what would be the average and what would be the standard deviation. Here we can tell that the average would be the middle value between 585 and 595. So here, if you just subtract 595 and 585, that's 10 milliliters that are getting divided amongst these 4 standard deviations. The middle between 585 and 595 is 590 milliliters. To figure out how big one standard deviation is, so from here to here, I'm going to take the 10 milliliter here and divide by 4 parts. So each of these standard deviations is equal to 2.5 milliliters.